How to find and edit the .htaccess file in File Manager in Godaddy. Let's get started with the video. Once we log into the Godaddy hosting account, we need to go to the My Products page. Next, on this page, we need to scroll down to the Web Hosting section and click the Manage button. Next, on this page, we need to click the cPanel Admin button, which brings us to the cPanel Settings page. Next, in this page, click and enter File Manager section under File. And again here, we will need to enter Public HTML Directory. The .htaccess file is one of the very important system files, hence hidden. To view the .htaccess file in File Manager, we need to click the Settings tab in the top right of the page. Next, in this pop-up, we need to select Show Hidden Files box and save the changes made here. And here it is, the .htaccess file. To edit the .htaccess file, click the Edit link in the top menu and continue. You can add your code or any content and save the changes. And done with this video tutorial in File Manager in Godaddy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.